The reason we choose tobacco is it has a lot of viruses that attack it. That tobacco that we use for manufacturing both our vaccines and antibodies. We now have humanized monoclonal antibody genes that can be expressed in plants. That was really the start of everything we did in making antibodies against the Ebola virus that could be produced in one of these simple tobacco plants. It would be a question of availability of funding, availability of people to work on it, and other factors which, frankly, I'm not qualified to judge. If we had a vaccine today, we'd give it to you, and your body would produce antibodies against Ebola. We don't have that vaccine, and we don't have anything in the near term that is going to function as a vaccine. So what we're doing instead is manufacturing antibodies outside the human body, purifying them, and then delivering them, as they did in Africa. We deliver them IV so they get into the bloodstream and work quickly and effectively against the virus. The ZMapp drug is really fairly simple. It's 3 antibodies produced in a tobacco plant, and then we grind up the tobacco plants and purify the antibodies so that they essentially look like antibodies that would come from human serum. This came much faster than I expected. Now, the ZMapp cocktail that was sent to Africa had actually been manufactured to go into more monkey studies, to study dosage, to do all the things that are necessary before a drug goes into human clinical trials.